Hello, so I'm going to show you a little demo of how the app works. First of all, I can just log in with my LinkedIn account. So I'm already logged in, I filled in the credentials, that's why I'm able to see the app. As soon as someone logs in, they land on this content coach where I can turn on this live news which fetches it via X API, and I can write any prompt that I want. So it will be something like latest Claude trends that I can make a post on, and it has all of my past chats as well. So it gives me a couple of prompts that I can ask it, and also gives me a prompt to search on X. So this is the topic that I want to search about, and if I just click on it, it now goes and fetches live news from X. So this is the news that it fetches. Let me see which one I like. Let's say this one. So now it gives me a little summary of what this post is about and what the trend is about, and also gives me an actual reference post from X. So this is the actual post from which it referred it, and then it asks for my one line take. I agree this is an efficient method to use plot. Alright, we just hit on continue. Okay, so then it asks me like what positioning would I like to do with this post. So would it be onboarding analogy, less is more with proof or high stakes rules? I would go with this one and click on next again. And at the last, so this is a feature I recently had where it also asked me that what should be the post structure. So what should be the map of the post? So should it be a hook and then value promise? Let's use this one, and then it starts generating a post. Takes around 10 to 12 seconds to generate, and the model that I'm using on the backend is a Claude model. Alright, so this is the post that we have generated, and we have already redirected to the credit section, the post editor section. And if you see, this also sounds nice, like it doesn't sound, like ChatGPT and all. And on the right side, I can see the beautiful preview. If I want, I can edit anything, and then I have a lot of options here. So if I want to bold any text, or if I want to italicize it, and I can add any emojis and all. Then a cool feature is, let's say I just want to modify just this line if I don't like this one, and I like everything else. I can just select this and hit on Command K, and just this line will be modified. So I can just click engaging, and it transforms this specific line. Yep. So it changes this line, and rest of the text stays the same. Apart from this, I can also attach a comment if I want. So if you have noticed that on LinkedIn, a lot of people also attach comments. So I'll attach a comment, and for media, we already have a lot of integrations. So it auto captures the title of that post. Uh, I would just need to make the title better for for Google image search. Claude, Claude.md. Yep, I think I can use this one. And then if you see, this is attached and my comment is attached as well. I can save it as a draft. I can directly publish it if I want, or I can schedule it for later. Let's schedule it for next month maybe, and just schedule this post, right? So this is how easy it is to use. And if I go to my scheduled section, I see a beautiful calendar here where I can see my scheduled posts. This is the one that we just scheduled, and I also see a list of all the posts that are scheduled. Apart from this, there are a lot of other features. So this is the analytics section, and then these are the insights which tells me what is the best time for me to post. Content coach I've already showed you. This is create post, drafts, scheduled section. For inspiration, we have a bunch of templates that people can directly use in their posts. So I can just click on this use button, and it would use